Hi, it's Chase, and you're watching Chase's toy reviews. And today I got this new water called Water Warrior Drench Force Blaster. And I don't know what it's made out of, but you can see that boy squirting it, and here's squirting water out of it, and here's a paper sticker, and yeah, package. And let's check the back of it. Ooh, maybe you can put water in here, and you blast all the water out of it, and you can squirt water. And those are the other ones. I don't know where it's stored at, but okay, let's get it. But I don't know where it's stored at, where they're stored at. Those are stored at. So let's get out of the pack.